dew, the gloss, the glaze. We love it all. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to show you my glazed donut skincare routine. So basically, glazed donut skin is exactly what it sounds like. It involves moisturizing the skin before bed so that when you wake up, your face is glistening and glowing. Before I get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. For those that are hearing about the glazed donut skincare routine for the very first time, let me tell you that this by far will be the yummiest and delicious little treat that you will ever give your skin. With glazed donut skin, the key is hydration and protection of your natural skin barrier, which involves using ultra-hydrating ingredients as a part of your bedtime routine for a soft, nourished and glowy skin, just like a glazed donut. But don't mistake this look for shiny or greasy. It is a glistening and glowing look created by incorporating well-hydrated skin products. Okay, so now let me show you my take on this glazed donut skincare routine. The first step is to cleanse the skin to wash away all the sunscreen, makeup, dirt, oil and impurities that have collected on your skin throughout the day, which ends up making the skin look dull and lackluster. So to bring back the glow, I like using the Pond's Bright Beauty Foaming Brush Face Wash for glowing skin. It has a built-in silicone applicator brush that helps cleanse the pores deeply. All you got to do is pump out the foaming face wash and use the silicone applicator to gently massage it all over the face and neck. It has a creamy foam texture that is extremely lightweight on the skin, which also helps to gently exfoliate the skin, revealing a natural glow all thanks to the vitamin B3 in it. That's not all. It is also free from harsh ingredients such as silicone, paraben, SLS and even artificial color. The second step is to exfoliate the skin. Exfoliation lifts off dead cells from the surface of your face and enables your skin to absorb products effectively. This is the exfoliator that I like to use when I want my skin to look like a glazed donut. It's the St. Ives Apricot Fresh Skin 3-in-1 Face Scrub. Just take a dollop size of it and scrub it gently. It contains 100% natural apricot extract, which is rich in vitamin E and antioxidant properties that will keep damage at bay and promote the revival of skin cells. This increases the elasticity of the skin and makes you look radiant as ever. Plus, it also has pro-ceramides which are not only going to replenish your skin for a smoother appearance, but also keep the skin hydrated post-exfoliation. Plus, the scrub is alcohol-free, soap-free, paraben-free and is non-comedogenic. The next step is to apply a sheet mask. One such face mask that you should definitely get your hands on is this one. It's the Pond's Vitamin Duo Sheet Mask Hydrating Sheet Mask with Vitamin B3 Natural Coconut Water. Apply it on the face and with the help of a jade roller, massage it on the face so that all the skin-loving vitamins get deeply absorbed into the skin. This alcohol and paraben-free mask is suitable for all skin types as it contains no harsh chemicals. It is enriched with the goodness of vitamin B3 that helps retain its hydration for a longer time, resulting in dewy, radiant-looking skin. Plus, it also has coconut water that contains vitamin C, K and A, which helps to stimulate collagen production for plumper and healthier-looking skin. Next step in my glazed donut skincare routine is to apply an oil-infused radiance-boosting eye cream. Here is what I have been using lately. This is the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Night Revival Eye Cream. Squeeze the tube to push the cream on top of the applicator head, then using the applicator dot it on the under eye area. The applicator head works as a massager, making the application process very relaxing. The main ingredient of this eye cream is argan oil, which is packed with fatty acids such as linoleic acid, which strengthens the skin's protective barrier while providing excellent moisturizing and healing properties. Also guys, we have an exclusive eye care routine video that I suggest that you go ahead and watch. For that, tap on the eye icon on the top right. The next step is to use a serum while the skin is still slightly damp. While selecting a serum, Choose the one according to your skin concerns and type. For instance, I like to use this one when I want my skin to glisten the next morning. This is the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Overnight Oil in Serum. It contains Moroccan argan oil, which is known for its antioxidant properties, helps nourish and moisturize the skin overnight to reveal a radiant glow the next morning. Go ahead and take 3 to 4 drops of the serum and gently massage in circular motions. This overnight oil in serum is so hydrating for the skin, at the same time it is lightweight yet non-greasy. Once we have hydrated the inner layer of the skin, it's time to apply a rich moisturizer that is going to give you a supple, soft glazed skin on the topmost layer of the skin. My new favorite moisturizer when I want a glowing effect on my skin is this one right here. It's the simple, kind to skin replenishing rich moisturizer. It has a rich blend of ingredients like bisabolol, glycerine, allantoin and provitamin B5. It will hydrate your skin while soothing and calming any kind of irritation. Plus, it's dermatologically tested, hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, in other words, perfect for sensitive skin too. So guys, I hope you liked my glazed donut skincare routine. Let me know in the comments below, what's your take on the new skincare trend? Before I leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Also ring on the bell icon for further notifications. Bye.